So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to adjust the page order of your design here on Canva using the desktop version. So the first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Now, by default, when you add pages, the order of operations will be in the way that you ordered the pages. So for example, this is my first page. I'll make it the color orange. If you go to the bottom here, press on add a page. The next page will be page number 2. The third page will be page number 3, so on and so forth. Now, if you want to change the order, so let's just say, for example, we want this blue page to actually be first, simply just go to the bottom here and grab on the page right here and then slide it all the way across in front of page number 1 or wherever you want to put it. Place it there, and now this is page number 1, orange is page number 2, and red is page number 3. If you want to move it back, simply just drag on it right here. You can move it this way, just like that. So if you're making a presentation, for instance, you want to change the order of the slides, this is the easiest way to do it, in my personal opinion. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to adjust the page order of your design here on Canva using the desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.